The tree is decorated beautifully. The presents are wrapped. The stockings are hung. Elf on the shelf. The village is set. Nutcrackers are waiting, and Santa is close. But something is still missing. I'm basically ready for Christmas. What could be missing? I know what it is. We need fudge. Let's go make some fudge. Welcome to K&D's Homestead. I'm Donna. It's just not Christmas without fudge. So I'm going to make some, and I'm going to share my favorite recipe with you right now. I'm going to use 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of butter. I'm going to use 16 ounces of chocolate chip nuggets, which are these morsels. And because I buy in bulk, I have to measure those out on the scale. 7 ounces of mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, 1 cup of nuts. I'm going to use walnuts, 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And I'm going to use a 13 by 9 inch dish to put these in. And all the ingredients are going to go right here in the pot because I have to take it to the stove and melt everything. So I don't need to mix anything in a bowl. First thing I'm going to start with is my butter. I need 3/4 cup of butter. That is 1 1/2 sticks. And I'm just going to cut these into little chunks to help them melt a little faster. Now I'm going to add my sugar, which is 2 1/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to put my milk, which is 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. I'm going to take this to the stove and bring this to a boil. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes. It has started boiling, so now I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes. And this needs to be stirred kind of constantly just to keep it from sticking. Don't want to scorch it. Alright, it has been 4 minutes, and I'm starting to see a little bit of caramelizing going on in here. So this is done. I'm going to turn my stove off, take this off the burner, and now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add my peanut butter, which was 3/4 cup. I want to get that melted in there. Once this burner here starts cooling down good, I'm going to put my pot back on the burner just to keep everything hot so that I can get everything melted in real good. But I don't want it to start boiling again, so I'll wait just a minute. Alright, the peanut butter is in. I'm going to add my chocolate. Which is 16 ounces. Alright, just so I can keep everything hot, I'm putting this back on that burner because I want everything to melt good, and you need a hot pot for that. too hot. I'm going to add my marshmallows. I'm going to add my teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, the marshmallows are melted. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of chopped nuts, which is walnuts. You really could call this Rocky Road fudge. It gets tough to stir. All right, this is ready to go in the glass dish that I'm going to put it in. Okay, I've got my 13 by 9 glass dish, and I have lightly buttered the bottom and the side walls. Now I'm going to put the mixture into this dish. A little heavy. Chocolate is my favorite flavor of anything, whether it's a cookie or ice cream, anything chocolate. All right, I think this is ready to go in the fridge. I'm going to cover it with a piece of plastic and set it in the fridge. The fudge is ready, and I think I chilled this in the fridge for 2 hours. Isn't that yummy looking? Mmm. That is very good. Delicious. I love fudge. Don't go through Christmas without fudge. I hope you like this video. I hope that if you're looking for a good fudge recipe that you'll try this one. We need fudge in our life. That's it for this video. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.